Alright folks, the Midsummer Galaxy Unpacked event is sneaking up fast, like just over a month away. And let me tell you, the hype train is absolutely hauling. Why? Because Samsung's got a juicy lineup of next-gen foldables and smartwatches ready to drop and maybe, just maybe, some wild new surprise up its sleeve. So let's dive into the scoop. We're talking the Galaxy Z Fold 7, the Z Flip 7, a more wallet-friendly Z Flip 7 Fan Edition, and whispers about something totally fresh called the G Fold. Oh, and don't forget the Galaxy Watch 8 series, including the new Watch 8 Classic. It's about to get real. Usually these unpacked events are like a greatest hits album for foldables and wearables, maybe with some bonus accessories or tablets thrown in. But this year, rumors say Samsung might toss in a few curveballs, so don't be shocked if they go off script a bit. Now here's where it gets even more fun. A tidal wave of leaks just dropped, and they're all about the Z Fold 7 and Z Flip 7. Specs, colors, possible launch date, let's break it down. A few days ago, the word on the street was that Samsung might actually keep the prices steady for its foldables this year, phew. And legendary tipster Ice Universe is doubling down, saying the launch date could be July 10. There's still a bit of time zone confusion between Korea and the US, but it lines up with that earlier April report, so yeah, it's looking pretty solid. But before the deep dive into the video, a quick reality check. Over 98% of you watching right now aren't subscribed. That's wild. Hitting that button doesn't just grow this channel, it genuinely keeps me motivated to keep digging, scripting, and dropping the best leaks and updates before anyone else. If you've made it this far, chances are you're into it. So why not make it official? Thanks, and let's dive in. Moving on to the Z Flip 7. This one's coming in hot with 8 or 12 gigs of RAM, plus storage options of 128, 256, and 512 gigs. Color-wise, expect a classic black, a fresh blue, and a fiery coral red. I'm already feeling that summer vibe. But hold up, here comes the budget-friendly player, the Z Flip 7 FE. This one's aiming for that sweet spot with just 8 gigs of RAM and either 128 or 256 gigs of storage. Sure, 8 gigs on a foldable in 2025 sounds a bit like a blast from the past, but hey, it might just hit the perfect price point. And let's not forget, Samsung just dropped the Galaxy S25 Edge and is still basking in the glow of Motorola's Razr 2025 launch. So yeah, bringing out the new foldables in July makes perfect sense to keep that momentum rolling. Now here's a juicy upgrade. The Z Fold 7 and Z Flip 7 might be Samsung's first foldables to support Qi 2 wireless charging. If this pans out, it means better accessory compatibility and way more convenient charging. The new certification from the Wireless Power Consortium hints that the Z Flip 7 might be the device behind the mystery model number SMA846U with support for Qi 2.1. If it's actually the Flip 7 FE, Qi 2 might not make the cut, but fingers crossed this is for the real deal. Oh, and Samsung might have just spilled the beans on the names themselves. A fresh version of the Samsung Internet Browser just popped up in the Galaxy Store, clearly labeled for the Fold 7 and Flip 7. And it also name-dropped One UI 8.0 beta. So yeah, looks like we're getting Android 16 and One UI 8 right out of the box. Anyway, that's the lowdown on Samsung's next-gen foldables. Are you hyped? Which one's got your attention, the premium Flip 7 or the budget-friendly Flip 7 FE? Drop your thoughts in the comments below and let's geek out together. Until next time, take care, stay techie, and let's see what Samsung's got in store for us this summer.